In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up lead scoring in HubSpot. Lead scoring helps your team focus on the contacts most likely to convert by assigning points based on who they are and how they engage with your company. By the end, you'll have a clear, usable scoring model you can rely on. First, open HubSpot and head to your main dashboard. This is your starting point for everything, and it ensures you're in the right accounts with the right permissions. If you manage multiple accounts, give the top bar a quick glance to confirm you're working in the correct one before moving on. Next, click on the More option in the navigation. Depending on your layout and permissions, this menu groups together additional tools that aren't shown in the primary tabs. If you don't immediately see it, look toward the top navigation area where overflow items are collected. From there, select Lead Scoring. This opens the lead scoring workspace where you manage models and criteria. You'll see any existing models here, but we're going to create a new one. Choose Start from Scratch. This gives you a clean slate and full control over your criteria and point values. It's a great way to build a model that matches your funnel and definitions, rather than relying on generic defaults. Now, choose how you'd like to score. Think in two buckets: fit and engagement. Fit criteria capture who the contact or company is. Things like industry, job title, company size, or geographic region. Engagement criteria capture what they do: page views, form submissions, email opens and clicks, meeting bookings, webinar attendance, and so on. Assign positive points to behaviors and attributes that indicate buying intent or ideal customer fit, and assign negative points to signals that reduce likelihood to buy, such as unsubscribes, hard bounces, or student or competitor emails. Keep your scale consistent. For example, use small values for light interest actions like a page view and larger values for high intent actions like a pricing page visit or a demo request. It's also helpful to include a few must-have criteria so only qualified contacts reach your marketing qualified threshold. When your criteria and weights look right, click Create, and then, once you've finished configuring everything, click Save. Take a moment to review the summary of your rules before confirming. After saving, HubSpot will begin calculating scores across your database. Give it a little time for the updates to propagate. As a best practice, document your scoring logic so sales and marketing are aligned on what a given score means, and schedule periodic reviews to refine your model as your go-to-market evolves. That's it. You've set up lead scoring in HubSpot.